Hey, how you doing, HVAC service family? We out here after we done got off work. One thing my wife and I we like to do, especially my wife, she has a really awesome green thumb, as you can see by all the foliage. But there are a lot of hidden jewels and vegetation behind the foliage that appears before you. As you can see here, there are tomatoes, cucumbers, yeah, and this is a giant tomato and that was grown here at our home. What do you think? People, please. This is ridiculous, man. Size of my head, right? Look, please, write and comment. Please tell me what you think. I love it. HVAC family, we're out.